Ready, Jordi, go.
The acceleration feeling is great. It's much higher than the petrol engine acceleration. The driving style in an electric car is absolutely different from petrol cars. Now we have different parameters, the way the engine sounds, the way the car behaves.
Jordi, box for battery cooldown.
It's not only about being the quickest, but we have as well to create a strategy for the thermal and energy management.
Llevo más de 20 años en esta profesión y nunca hubiera dicho que cargaría un coche de carreras así.
The amount of adrenaline that we feel inside an electric car, I would say, is higher.